The top 3 faceless YouTube automation cash cow channels that you can start as of right now. What I'm about to show you here are 3 amazing niches that you can get into to make a lot of money with YouTube automation. I've been doing YouTube automation myself as well, as you can see right there. These are the current results. So January, one of the best months I had so far with this channel, which is $18,233. You can see across 2021, I've been getting amazing results as well. Now, I'm just showing you this so that you guys know that I know what I'm talking about, instead of a lot of people on YouTube that just show you some random niches and they're like, yo, just figure this out. But no, I actually do this myself. I get pretty good results, I would say. So let's dive into that right away. And stick around until the third one, because that one is currently blowing up like crazy, which I'm going to show you proof of as well. But starting up, the first one is the cryptocurrency niche. Now, I always like to think about low barrier to entry niches, because if you're going to do stuff that a lot of people have done already, you need to become the best one. But if you're doing stuff that no one else is doing yet and there's a lot of demand for it, you don't need to be the top one, the perfect video creator, in order to blow up and get it going. Now, crypto is one of those examples where it's kind of like new, it's really trending, a lot of people are getting into it, even still in 2022, right? It's quite new. So that means that the barrier to entry is a little bit lower than other topics that have been around for years and years. For example, the normal stock market, right? That's been around for so long. So a lot of people have already made videos on that. A lot of people are ranking, stuff like that. But with crypto, there's a lot of growth potential. Now, this is a channel called Whiteboard Crypto. They're currently getting, let me get rid of that, 2.9 million views. And you can see that they blew up this summer. Last summer, actually, it's 2022 already. So summer 2021, they blew up, and right now, 3 million views. Now with crypto, you're definitely going to get around a $10 RPM. So this channel is pulling in $30,000 roundabout in revenue with just these faceless videos, right? You can see, if I click on here, these are just whiteboard videos, hence the name Whiteboard Crypto. But you can see that this is extremely lucrative, as these videos don't cost that much to make. You can get this done on Fiverr, for example, for a pretty cheap price. So these guys are probably making a lot of profit. A lot of this stuff right there is profit. Now, that's what I like about YouTube automation. A lot of it is profit. But you can see how using crypto, so a new trending niche, can get you a lot of views real quick. Because if we go to most popular, you'll see his best video is what is Web 3.0. Now this, once again, is a brand new thing. So the barrier to entry, so the barrier to entry, so basically what I mean by that, how easy is it to either get promoted or for people to find your video, is so much lower with this one than, for example, what is Bitcoin, because that has been around for years, it's been popular for years, whereas Web 3.0 just got announced, like it just got out there, right? So a lot of people are interested in it. They go to YouTube, they click on the video. That is how that works. It's the exact same with Solana, Cardano, all of these crypto coins. So that is why this could be an amazing niche for you to start. My suggestion, my advice is, don't create a lot of videos on Bitcoin, stuff like that, but start creating videos on new stuff, such as Web 3.0, because a lot of more people are curious to what it is, plus there's much less competition. Then jumping into the second one, which is somewhat related, but even crazier in terms of views, and is the NFT niche. NFT stands for non-fungible token. You've probably seen it somewhere on the internet recently. This is a channel called Viral Kingdom. They're currently getting, as you can see, about 200,000 views per week. Now, once again, that is probably around 2K per week, so 8K per month. Maybe he's even going to go up to like 10K real soon, because you can see that he is blowing up like crazy just because all of the recent NFT stuff that he's been posting. How to organically grow your NFT project, 36K in 13 days, 8K right there. If I search for most popular, you'll see that, first of all, he was doing other random stuff, right? But then here, NFT, 400K in 4 months. Then here, NFT, let's see, Okay, these are just older videos. NFT right there, NFT right here. So you can see that probably a lot of these videos that are only now starting to get views are NFTs. So the list right there will probably change real soon, and the NFT videos will start beating this stuff. Now, once again, why is the NFT niche really good? Because it's brand new. There are not that many people creating content yet that is actually good. So that is why you can see that if you type in NFT and then you do NFT flipping, for example, flipping tutorial, you'll get videos that rank here from people that are probably just getting started. Now, if I click on this guy, okay, he does already have quite a lot of subscribers. What I want to do here is find some videos from channels that have a lot of views but barely have any subscribers to show you that it's actually possible. Cool times, 18k subscribers. If we go over here, you can see NFT, NFT. So all of this stuff on this channel is from NFTs, and he probably grew. Now let's take a look at when he started growing, and there you go. He only started this channel once again last summer, and right now he's already at 200k views per month. Once again, proving that that concept of the barrier to entry does actually work. So you're getting quite a lot of views right now, going up quite fast as well. So if he starts like making even more videos or just continues to pump out this NFT stuff, he is gonna blow up even further. So once again, NFT content, great niche to get into as of right now. And then the third channel that I want to show you is kind of like more in a section. And then the third channel that I want to show you is kind of a niche, but it's also a video format, and it is news content. Now, I'm not a fan of watching the news whatsoever, but if you're uploading it to YouTube, it works extremely well. And I don't mean the weather, I don't mean what happened somewhere out in whatever country. No, go in on social media drama or stuff like that. For example, this channel called Faceless is going crazy at the minute because he started uploading videos about a football player that got exposed to some pretty bad stuff. You can see this is the first video, 1.7 million in 3 days, 341k, almost 800k, 600k, 200k, another one 125k. This one did lower as it's not the same topic. This one, 16 hours ago, another 500,000 views. If we go to his social blade, you can see that this spike right there is absolutely insane, and he's pulling in over 1 million views per day. Now, you can tell if he only has a $1 RPM, which is extremely low, he would already be making $1,000 in a day. And these videos are not even that hard to create. They're simply taking the news, they're just reading some articles, they create a script on it, read the voiceover, put some videos and photos of the people or whatever's in the news, and boom, you're done. So this niche is also really, really good. But for all of these channels, you do need to have a team. Now, would you like to do something like me or these other channels and make thousands of dollars without showing your face and making the videos? You need to know how to make the perfect thumbnail, a great script, good editing, and a quality voiceover. Now, you can choose to do all of that stuff yourself, right? Go ahead and figure it out. Or you could choose to learn from someone that has already been doing this for years and years and has already been successful at this, that can literally show you step by step how to get it done and where to get started. Now, if you want that second option, I've got an interesting offer for you. Let me introduce it to you, all right? So I'm very happy to introduce you to the Automation First Academy. This has been in the works for quite a long time now, as a lot of people kept asking me to do this. I've created the first ever step-by-step video guide to setting up your own YouTube automation video team. If you've been struggling to figure out how you can build up your own team that will do all the work for you, such as script writing, voiceovers, video editing, thumbnails, and then put all of that together into an amazing video that people would want to watch all the way until the end so that the YouTube algorithm will like that video and promote it, then this is the perfect solution for you. Welcome to the Automation First Academy. So let's take a look what's involved and what you can learn from this. So as you can see, this course will reveal everything that I did myself to build my YouTube automation video team to a point where they can make over 300 videos per month that then generate over $20,000 in revenue. In fact, in January, we actually did around $26,000 in revenue, if not more. Now, what a lot of people don't know about YouTube is that you don't need to show your face and you don't need to make vlog videos to make money. Did you know it's possible to outsource the entire video production for your YouTube channel? Now, this means that you don't need to show your face, you don't need to write a script, you don't need to do the voiceover, you don't need to do the video editing, and you guessed it, you don't need to make a thumbnail. You can outsource all of that work. Now, back in 2019, I had no clue, unfortunately, that this goldmine existed. I made videos myself, as you can see right there, 2019, and I had to embarrass myself on camera. I also had to do all the work. I was the scriptwriter, the video editor, the thumbnail designer, and the video creator all at once. I was a one-man team. Now, that kind of led to me having to do a lot of work. So working 24/7. Now, I then came to a point where I was making 2K per month. And I hear you thinking, right? Like I say right here as well, that's pretty good. That's good money. And yes, you're right, but I had one problem, and that problem was that I had to make the video. And if I didn't do that, I wouldn't make any money. Now, it wasn't until I switched to building these video teams for me where my income started going up like crazy. You can see I went from doing that 2K to over 4.9K in the first month or the second month. Yeah, the second month, as you can see right there. I'm going to spare you all the details, but it basically comes down to me switching from making videos myself to outsourcing them, making more content, growing more channels that now generate over $20,000 per month. So teamwork really is the dream work. So you can see that I now have a team of over 12 people that do script writing, voiceovers, video editing, thumbnail design, and project management. Now, what if I told you that you can get all of that as well and learn exactly step by step from me how to do this? So do you want your own team that does all the work for you? If yes, then keep watching because this offer is going to be amazing for you guys. And I even have a discount if you're watching this channel. So I'm going to teach you exactly, using all of my proven formulas, how you can break down your video format. So if you want to start making content, you cannot just randomly create videos. No, you need to create a video format. Where to find your team, so which platforms are the best, how do you find them, stuff like that. Then how can you actually set up a full video team, including the scriptwriter, the voiceover, the editor, and a thumbnail designer. Now, once you've got all of that, that's fun and all, right? But if you still need to give them instructions all the time, message back and forth, that is also going to take a lot of your time. So I actually included a workflow, which is my workflow, that can automate all of that stuff. So you build up systems and the people know what to do exactly without having you on their side. And then you can even scale your video production just like me and build this up to like 300 videos per month so that you can have multiple channels and grow really fast. Now, all of that stuff right there will indeed enable you to work on your business instead of in your business. So if you work in your business, you are kind of like your own business. If you then don't work, you don't make money. But by doing this stuff, you've got people working in your team and they will do the work for you, meaning that you can free up your time, earn passive income, work whenever and wherever. Doesn't that sound awesome? So, introducing you to the Automation First Academy. These are the lessons. So we've got the introduction, we've got content layers, how to build your own team, how to scale your teams, how to set up your workflow, how to stay in charge, and then you can watch me build a team live on camera. This will take me over an hour of content, so you can see exactly step by step how I do that. So guys, how does that sound? Sounds good, right? You can get involved right now. It has just gone live and it will only be available for 7 days. And that is not some marketing BS. No, the enrollment for this course will actually stop next week on Friday, the 11th of February. Now, within the first 48 hours, you can get a $100 discount. If you're watching this on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, you can get $100 off. If you click right there on Enroll Now, you can first of all see the entire course, so all of the content that is indeed included. You can see it's a couple hours, but if you click on Enroll Now on Teachable, you'll see that the course is $197 plus the taxes, but that depends on the country that you're in. Now, this is going to go up to $297 after Sunday. So from Monday until Friday, it's going to be $100 more, and that's your final call to get this course. So if you're going to get it anyway, you might as well get it with the $100 discount. Anyway, I'm very excited to see you inside the course so that I can learn you exactly step by step from A to Z how you can build your own YouTube automation video team that will create high quality videos. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down below. Once again, it's going to be a limited offer. It's going to be available until the 11th of February 2022, so only a week, and then the first 48 hours you can get a discount, or the weekend I should say. So go ahead, click on that link, and then hopefully I'll see you inside the course.